Material for synchronic learning. Good afternoon. I am Leida, and today I'm going to present the develop of two synchronic activity design using the technological tool Padlet. For this virtual class, I have designed a presentation where the topic building vocabulary using the article a and an will be developed. Okay. We see. Okay. And now let's explain how the first activity will be developed. First, we indicated that what the students are going to do. In this case, we ask them to make a list of 10 objects that are used in the classroom that have or carry the article a or an. In this case, we are going to use the Padlet tools. The link is shared with the student via chat, and they must log into work on the Padlet. Wow. Well, the first thing to do to read is the instruction, which say write a list of 10 objects that have the article and a and an. We go to Padlet and start the activity. What here the student will use the plus signs to open a window in which they will write what they are asked to write, like this article A, and then a pencil, a notebook, not notebook, a book. Sorry. Okay, and hit public. Okay, and hit public. As you can see, the authors they in the article and in the words to be used display. Okay, and so you can continue reading until the request number of words in reach. Article A. I'm sorry. A pen. A car. A table. Okay, the publish. Okay. They say produce, click on publish, and you have another entry. And so they can continue to as many as they want. Each student will do the same and the section of their choice. In this way, the student will work on the activity until they complete it. The objective of the activity is for the student to practice the vocabulary they have learned to differentiate when to write a and when to write an, as well as to use reading skill. Okay, we continue. Showing more information. More information about the topic. Okay. In this activity, students are asked a series of questions to answer as they go along, always on the use of the article a and an. Again, the link to the tool, which is again Padlet, will be shared through the chat, and we will access it. In this activity, a student will be asked questions about the use of a and an. Okay, one student from the class will be randomly selected to participate, but all students will participate. We start the first question. Say, when is the article used? Answer the question and give 2 examples. Then another student is chosen. The next question is asked, which say, when is the article used? Answer the question and give 2 examples. Then the next one, answer until the majority of the students are complete. As can be seen, this answer must be given of the spot. Of course, there is a margin of time for the student to think about his answers. The purpose of these activities is for students to interact in class, participate, and of course to practice speaking skills. These two synchronic activities will be developed in class with the students using the Padlet tools that allow us to interact with the student for better learning. To the class, a review of what they have will be done. Here, students are asked to write 10 sentences describing object or furniture in the classroom, always using the article a and am, and then share them with the class. And so, for this virtual class, in which we explain step by step how to develop the two main synchronous activities in the Padlet tool. Thank you very much for your attention.